Good evening. Today is Sunday, January 21, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games in Amusement Corporation for Sunday, January 21, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for January 21, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, January 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.